So this is happening. I didn't think this was gonna happen, but it is happening, so let's get into it. What's up everyone, welcome to the FC Life and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Wow, I can't believe this is happening. I just wanted to make this quick intro video to let you guys know what kind of videos I'm going to be putting out, what I'm up to for the next while, and how often I'm going to be putting out these videos, and also a little bit about me, I suppose, as you guys get to know me a little bit before you know, maybe start watching my other videos. So let's get into a little bit about me. Well, my name is, as I said, my name is Faizan Chowdhury. I'm from Dublin, Ireland, and I've decided to book a one-way ticket to Bangkok, but starting on the 28th of November, and I'm just gone for the foreseeable future. I'm going to see how things turn out over there, and you know, like, just kind of go with the flow, really. You know, try the whole backpacking lifestyle for a while, and you know, see how things go. So I suppose, like, I'm originally from Pakistan, but I was born and bred in Dublin, so you know, hence why the very strong accent and also the tan skin. It kind of helps me out sometimes. So anyway, like, as to why I wanted to create a YouTube channel, the reason why I want to create a YouTube channel is because I've had an interest in photography and cinematography for quite a while now, and I thought, you know what, why not combine my trip that I'm going on with my skills that I've learned over a period of time now, and try to put them together and to create a memories that I can share with you guys, and maybe it might help you guys to kind of, you know, like, give you a bit of insight as to what Southeast Asia is about, and what you can do, what not to do, and you know, like, the places to eat, where not to eat. You know, I'll be trying to make it as authentic as possible, but the only thing I can say is I'm not trying a scorpion or crickets of any of that sort. I'm sorry, that's just not happening. You can forget about that. So, like, you know, I've been really wanting to go on this trip for, I say, a better part of 3 years now, and I never got the opportunity to do it. And now that I finally have the opportunity to do it, I still can't believe that I have a one-way ticket booked to Bangkok. I mean, come on, that is just, that just happened completely out of the blue. One morning I got up and I said, you know what, it's about time I do it. I have the opportunity now. You know, I've been wanting to do it for so long, just why not take that step? Like, the hardest thing was to actually book my flight, because these thoughts were running through my mind as to, like, oh, what's gonna happen? You're going solo. You know, are you gonna be able to make friends? You know, how are you gonna do this whole solo thing? You know, how to even do this solo thing? So I was just like, you know what, Fazan, why not? You know, you just gotta jump in with both feet and just see how things go. So got up, done, and it didn't sink in. Probably, I'd say it still hasn't sank in properly, but you know, I was dropping my mum off to the airport there last week, and I was at the airport and I was just like, oh my god, oh crap, I'm gonna be here in about a month's time. I'm gonna be jetting off with one-way ticket. Wow, this is actually happening. So it's kind of sank in, and I said, you know what, I'll create this quick intro video for YouTube and I let you guys know what this is all going to be about. So the videos I'm going to be putting out for you guys is something like, you know, the travel videos as to what to do and what not to do, and you know, where to go and where not to go, and these are going to be all based on my own personal opinion. And you know, if this helps you in any way, shape or form, you know, I'm delighted. If it helps one person to travel the world solo or with somebody and convince somebody else to go, you know, that would be my goal. That is my goal, and if I can get that basically for one person, I'm happy out. I'm happy. The travel, I suppose, is something that you gotta do. You just have to do it. You know, I mean, you go to these little trips, you know, these weekends away and all that kind of stuff, and you're like, wow, why can't I do this long term? Of course you can do this long term. You can do this long term. You can always do it long term. You just have to have that mindset of, right, okay, I've got, give yourself, say, a year, or you know, say 6 months, and just say, right, okay, look, I've got to do it for about from this to this, so let's just put my head down, concentrate for about 6 months, try to save as much money as possible, you know, try and do your research and try and, you know, just basically get everything together and just jet off. All you gotta do is the hardest step ever to do is to book that flight. I'm telling you right now, guys, booking that flight has been literally the best thing that I've ever done in my life. So like, as I said, I'm going to create a creating travel videos. I'm heading off to Edinburgh for like a weekend on the 15th of November, so I will try and create a travel video based around Edinburgh. So I'm gonna try my best to, you know, kind of get the best shots and tell you guys what to do and what not to do, and you know, where to go and what to eat, and basically just see how it goes over there. I'm only heading up there for like a family thing, so you know, I might not get as much time to go record videos, but I will try my best to get that video out there for you guys. Yeah, so while I'm in Bangkok, I suppose a little bit about my trip. I have about 3 days planned in Bangkok, and then after that I'm heading up to Chiang Mai for about a week, and then I suppose I've got no plans after that. I'm just gonna see how things pan out, and I'm just gonna, you know, kind of gonna go with the flow. That's the whole beauty of travel, I suppose, so by yourself, that you're not really relying on other people to kind of make a decision to go here, to go there, or where to go and all that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of flexible, I suppose. You never know who you're gonna meet out there. So if I meet somebody out there that I want to kind of travel around with and they want to travel around with me, I'm more than happy to do that. I just basically want to be going with the flow and just seeing how things go. I don't really like to. I'm not really the biggest planner in the world, I suppose. It could be my downfall sometimes, but like, you know, that's the whole beauty of solo travel, as I said. So yeah, guys, comment below, let me know of any places you'd like me to go and see or review, and I'll try my best to get down there and review it for you guys and put it out there for you guys to see what to do, what not to do, what to eat, where to go, and all that kind of crack. And also it would be greatly appreciated as well if you could actually just subscribe and hit that little bell button, and as to when you've been notified as to when the next video will be out. I never actually added, I'm gonna be putting out videos every kind of week that I'm there in Southeast Asia for you guys, as to, you know, kind of keep you up to date as to what I'm going to be doing, where I am and why I'm there. So yeah, I suppose that's it really. I haven't got anything else really to say, so I'm gonna bow out, I suppose, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.